service. I was there last year. It's one of these annuals I do every year. And usually check the nozzle, oil flow, and make sure everything's running fine. This guy's gonna. Anyway, probably gonna be a quickie. Everybody likes a quickie. Everybody likes a quickie. We'll go there, we'll check the oil flow, change the nozzle, check the draft over the fire, kick the can down the road, mama. I haven't got it, so.
You haven't got it?
No, I've been fine.
You got your dog with you?
I always take my dog with me. How's it been running? Okay?
Oh yeah, great.
No problems?
No, I mean obviously we haven't run it all summer, but no, it's great.
Riello. Yeah, for a limit. Yeah, so she's been running smooth, no issues, huh? That's good.
Can I ask you for one favor?
Yeah, what do you
Before
need?
I leave you alone?
Yeah, what do you need?
Do you have a tool that can open this?
Yeah. Yeah, I can get that. You got another filter?
Right there.
Okay, yeah.
Nice.
You gotta release, you gotta shut both valves off and you gotta release the top.
Right.
And you still can't get it open?
We don't have the right tool. It's got...
I could put a pipe wrench on there, it should get it off. I mean, I'm not gonna guarantee it's not gonna break, but.
Oh, we don't want that.
Well, I ain't guarantee, you know, I could.
So we have one.
Well, I'll put a piece of pipe on that. Does that fit?
No, it's too big. I'll show you the one we have. It got screwed up.
I might have a strap wrench, and you got one that fits on there?
Yeah, but I'll show you.
I think it's on backwards, to be honest with you. Yeah, I think so. Should be able to get that off. Guy wants a guarantee. I ain't gonna give him no flipping guarantee. Nothing's guaranteed, but you're gonna get a big bill. That's it. You got one that fit on there, I could put a piece of pipe on it to get more leverage.
You got burnt though.
Huh?
So it got burnt. I put it on the thing so it doesn't. It got a little bit screwed up.
Yeah, it should work. Should be able to get that off of there, maybe. I didn't know how bad it was, Guy. I mean, how about you?
I was able to work from home, so. Were you able to collect?
I didn't even want to. I could have if I wanted to, but then I really don't need the money. Kind of weird to say, but.
So that was, you took off April and May?
Well, as soon as it started, I took some time off. Where's it go? This thing doesn't even look dirty.
Really?
Watch out. Well, a little bit.
We usually do it once a year.
Huh?
We usually do it once a year.
Yeah.
Was it all backwards?
Oh, you see this little relief here? I'm not sure, but I was able to get it off. Maybe you need to eat your Wheaties in the morning.
I'm afraid. You just use the blue thing?
Yeah, that's all I use is the blue one, yeah. You have to shut both valves off, and you gotta release that red button on the top. Okay, if you don't release the red button on the top, it's not gonna.
What red button?
This red button on the top.
Oh, okay.
You gotta shut both valves off. and then relieve the pressure before you go to take it off, because if not, it won't come off.
How do you relieve the pressure? Just push it down?
Just push the button down. It's just spring loaded.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna do the burner now.
It's been 2 years on this guy.
If you have to put a piece of PVC on that for more leverage, you can put a piece of 1.5 PVC.
Yeah.
Like 18 inches to give you more leverage. Don't be scared of it. All right, so we'll change the nozzle and we'll check it out. Again.
Then you decided it was safe to go back to work?
Well, after 7 weeks, I was starting to get crazy here.
You getting a lot of calls from customers?
Starting to act like my ex-wife. I had to go, do something. Getting flipping nuts here.
I mean, you're in the basement mostly alone, right?
Yeah, but I don't know how bad it was, and I'm good. I mean, I haven't never got sick, so.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, just keep the airflow full. You keep the.
You never got sick?
No. But I've been very careful. I haven't gone out much.
Yeah, well, that closed anyway, right? So.
Yeah, they're back open though.
Yeah, where do you go? Planet Fitness?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where I go too. I gotta start going back. I mean, I was going there for the longest time before this started, and I want to get back to it.
Yeah, I think I might go early in the morning when no one's there.
Oh, is that when you go?
Well, I might try that. They open up real early.
Yeah, they're usually pretty busy first. A lot of people got that mindset. I mean, it's cheap enough, $10 a month. I mean, how could you beat that? Can't really beat that, $10 a month. It was here, $9.20. It's almost to the year. Oh, she's getting a little carbony. A little bit. Riello's got a screw right here. See the screw? Let's not screw up. And you can pull it right out. Just got a couple of screws loose now. That screw it sits right in that little groove there. This usually takes a 60-degree nozzle. Give it a little how you doing. $75, $60. That's usually what I put in there. Three-quarter and 5/8. It's clean, that's what you want to see. I got my 80s here, 70s, 60s, and 45s. That's what we want. We'll check the oil flow once we get it up and running. Make sure that's good. Once the burner's set up good, you probably maintain it, nozzle, and checking the filters and stuff, you should be fine. This goes right in there. Set the screw. Set it and forget it right there. It locks it in place. The head's clean. think I came here a couple of years back and the thing was all full of soot and I wasn't happy with the guy he was using. Some young kid, I guess, didn't know what he was doing. I got the power off right now, but we'll jump out. We'll jump out 5 and 6. That should jump out 5 and 6. That when I turn the power on, I'll run the burner. I'll run the motor. Jump out 5 and 6. I got the limit turned up. I got jumped out 5 and 6. And it should run. I'll check the oil flow. This is off. I can take that off. It's just a jumper. Temporary. Okay, so we'll put the control back on. Now we should be able to fire it up, check the draft. Tried this thing all apart, cleaned it out last year or the year before. Getting good oil flow. We're getting good oil flow, so the filters are still good. Change the nozzle. Got decent draft. Turn that back down to 180. And, pressure looks good. Alright, so last year I was here. It was a new nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow, good draft, and clean boiler sections. I brushed it down last year I was here. This year I put a new nozzle, clean burner head, good oil flow, and good draft. I mean, it's not all choked up, it's running good. So there's no sense in taking it all apart and cleaning it. Get a little heat in the chimney, we'll get even a better draft. We changed that for them too.